Dr. Garima Asati. Welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Friends, today I am going to explain you about the topic ADHD in English on the demand of few of my non-Hindi patients. So let's start this ADHD. It's attention deficit hyperactive disorder. It is a mental or a neurodevelopmental disorder in which there is difficulty in paying attention. There is excessive activity seen in children, and it is 6 to 7% common nowadays. Friends, before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till yet, kindly subscribe the channel, tap the bell icon to get the latest updates of the videos, and kindly see the video till the last, because in the last I am going to explain you about some of the homeopathic medicines which can be helpful in curing this ADHD. Now let's talk about the symptoms of this ADHD. So it has been divided into two categories. The first one is inattention and second one is hyperactivity impulsivity. So the symptoms in first category, that is inattention, are close attention difficulty, trouble in doing daily tasks or organizing any task, loses things easily, forgets things easily, difficulty in doing daily routine work, shorter span of memory is there. They forget very easily because there is no concentration in any work, and difficulty in memorizing anything. They are easily distracted and difficulty in doing a structured school work, difficulty in doing any classwork, homework, any project or assignment, difficulty in doing work which are consuming time, and they are easily distracted from that work. Now let's talk about the second category, that is hyperactivity impulsivity. So they are unable to sit still. They move continuously. They are very restless. They leave the place in a quick moment. They answer very quickly and they interrupt others while talking. They are very talkative. They talk more than others. They are very impatient. They can't wait for their turn. And there is too much difficulty in managing their anger. They may become homicidal or suicidal too. So it's very difficult for them to handle their anger. That's why they are very aggressive. They are impulsive. Their reaction is very quick and fast. They are very destructive. They can destroy anything, and their destruction can be at any level. There are academic difficulties seen in this person. That is, they can't read, they can't concentrate, they can't study. There is poor concentration seen in these children. There is daydreaming, and sleep disorders are also there. They either sleep too much or too less, or there may be a difficulty in getting wake up or rise early in the morning for them. Their schedule of sleep is very much disturbed. There is restless leg syndrome. They move their legs continuously. They also feel difficulty in maintaining relationships because of their anger. They are very aggressive in nature. They can be homicidal or suicidal too. Now let's talk about the causes of this ADHD. So usual onset is 6 to 12 years. And it may be genetic, hereditary, or due to social environment because of social negligence or social deprivation. Alcohol consumption can also lead to this ADHD. And infections in mother like cytomegalovirus or rubella during pregnancy can also lead to this ADHD. Now let's talk about the diagnosis of this ADHD. So it is symptoms based. That is, clinical examination is more than sufficient. Now let's talk about the allopathic mode of treatment. Sedatives and antidepressants are given in allopathy and behavior therapies. Now friends, let's talk about the homeopathic cause. One of the cured case of this ADHD via homeopathy, and some of the homeopathic medicines which can be helpful in curing this ADHD. So the homeopathic cause is when a mother during her pregnancy time suffers from some problem or issues, and because of that she gets some anger inside and which gets suppressed continuously. So she transfers this message to the child that child, you don't be suppressive. You have to express your anger, just become hyper expressive, hyperactive and become restless. Now friends, let's talk about one of the cured case of this ADHD via homeopathy. A patient aged 10 years suffering from this ADHD, very much impulsive and very much restless, unable to sit in one place, very much aggressive and forgets things easily, and all the symptoms of ADHD was there. After taking whole case, we got the history from mother that she was suffering from this delusion that she is criticized during pregnancy. She was always fearful that she will be criticized by her in-laws, by her husband. And she feels nobody cares for her. After taking whole case, we took the rubric, delusion that she is criticized and development mental arrested, and the medicine selected was Baraitacap 200. And this child got completely cured within a period of 2 years. Now friends, let's talk about some of the homeopathic medicines which can be helpful in curing this ADHD. So the first medicine is mercurius. So the feeling of mother may be indifferent to everything, ailment from fright, insult or wounded honor, egotism. So this message, if transfers to child, so child will become very slow in answering, very much aggressive, may become homicidal or suicidal, restless, changes place from one place to another, and he wants to just go out of the house, wants to travel always, and there is fear of death seen in the child. So if these symptoms correspond, this mercurius will be helpful in curing such ADHD cases. And next medicine is Nux vomica. So the mother feeling may be fear of losing position or felt that she has lost the position. So the child will become, he can't bear any kind of noise or any external expression is unbearable for him. There is concentration difficult, contradiction intolerance, can't bear any kind of contradiction and becomes dominating and dictatorial. Becomes very much impatient, time passes too slowly for him and aversion to work and disposition to suicide as well as homicidal too. So if these symptoms correspond, Nux vomica will be helpful in curing such cases. That's all for this topic. We'll meet soon with a new topic, new subject. Kindly subscribe the channel and tap the bell icon to get the latest updates of the videos. And it's my humble request to you all, kindly don't take any medicine without consulting doctor, otherwise it will not be too much helpful to you. And the clinic address of mine and the contact number is given in the description link. Stay connected to stay healthy. Thank you.